Hey guys, it's KD from Piggybacks. Welcome to my tutorial on how to use Binance to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to use the transaction register and the order book to make decisions on buying and selling cryptocurrencies. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button below. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So now I am going to go through this section right here. So this section is the order book, and the top half. Okay, first of all, it's divided in two. So let's go over the top half of the first half, if that makes sense. So these are all the sell orders that people have placed. So when someone wants to sell ontology to someone who wants to buy ontology using USDT, they will put a sell order and it will show up on this book right here. So for example, someone is selling, well, if you look at the top, you'll have price, amount, and the total. So there are people, you don't know how many people, it could be one person, it could be 10 people selling them in different amounts. However, you've got just the total amount that's being sold at a particular price, and then you'll have the total amount in USDT. So for example, right now at 90, well, this is the thing, this book changes quickly because people are always buying and selling and changing their minds and canceling orders, etc. So I decided to take a screenshot so that I can explain this a bit better without the price fluctuation. Basically the prices going up and down and the numbers changing whilst I'm trying to explain something. So if you look at the top half, you can see that we have a price of 0.9066 USDT and an amount of 26.60 ONT that is being sold by someone or a group of people, and 26.60 ONT is a total of 24.11 USDT. I have rounded this off to 2 decimal places. And if you look at the line above that, you can see that at the price of 0.9071 USDT, someone is selling, or a group of people are selling 1030.99 ONT, and the total amount in USDT for the ontology being sold on the order book is 935.211 USDT. So these are orders that people are placing to sell the ontology that they hold to potential buyers. And just below the sell order book, you will see the buy order book. And before we go into the buy order book, so the amount 0.9061, the arrow is up. That's an arrow going up to show that the price has gone up, or if it's going down, the amount will be in red and the price will be going down with the arrow going down in red too. So green is for when the amount is going up, so a lot of people are buying. Red is when the amount is going down, a lot of people are selling. So basically 0.9061 is the current price of ontology. So the middle bit always shows you the current price of ontology, and the 0.906100 is the dollar value. So since this is USD, a pair in USTD, those two should be roughly off by maybe a penny or two, but they should be the same. Whereas if you're now trading using a different pair, so for example ONT, BTC, ONT will be ontology, BTC will be Bitcoin. this US dollar value will be showing you how much Bitcoin is in US dollar value, because you don't have a pair that will show you the equivalence in terms of fiat value. So that's what this white US dollar amount is representing. So now looking at the buying order book, if you look at the bottom of the middle price, you have 0.9057 USDT. This is the price that a group of people or someone is willing to buy 311.31 ONT at that price. So people have put a buy order for a total amount of ONT of 311.31 at the price of 0.9057 USDT. And if you look at the total amount that it costs to buy 311.31 ontology, it is 281.95 USDT. On the far right hand side of the order book, there is a transaction list, and this transaction list shows you the price at which ontology has either been bought or sold at, the quantity of ontology that has been bought or sold, and the time at which the ontology was bought or sold. So this is a live transaction list that happens in real time. So these are transactions that are happening in real time and being recorded as the day goes, as people are trading. So if you look at the first line, we have a price of 0.9061 USDT, and an amount of 154 ontology has been sold at 21:45 and 35 seconds in. And the second line shows that at the price of 0.9059, 169 ontology was sold at 21:45:21. So as you can see, the gap between the first line and the second line in terms of time is only a few seconds. So these are transactions that are happening in real time as people buy and sell ontology. Hey guys, many thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to learn more and want a full tutorial on how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, click the link below. It will take you to my website where I've got a free course where you will learn how to use Binance to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I will go through things such as the order book, the transaction register, and how to use the limit order, market order, and the stop limit order. And I also actually do a live trade showing you guys how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform. If you haven't already liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Thank you guys.